thought I'm gonna do something like that because I'm so bad in art and all this. But I have my sister who's super talented, so she has helped me throughout the shoot. So big thanks to her who's actually behind the camera. So you can definitely figure it out what I'm up to. So I am basically using the waste breezer bottles and transforming into something very cool for room के बिल्कुल मेहनत नहीं लगी है. It was so easy and cheap at the same time. So without a further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, I had so much fun shooting this and I hope you guys like it. If you want to see the final results, here they are. You guys let me know which was your favorite, the golden bottle or the white bottle. So if you guys do try it at your home, do not forget to tag me. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you until next time. Bye.